Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. It came in the mail finally. The Jeep version of the Axial SCX30. The details. This thing is great. And why not just have two? So I have the Bronco, which I'm having some issues with the servo, so haven't had a lot of time with this truck because of the fact that I have no turning radius. This one works perfect though. Perfect. So we're going to explore this truck. Just like the Bronco, two tabs in front. I can get it open, two tabs in front, and you got the chassis. I do have the brushless Furatech system coming. It's on back order, so once that comes, can't wait to put it in, but this, you don't need it. This thing's awesome. And the hard cover, it's a great cover. It's just such a great body. The design is perfect. Everything about this truck is pretty on key, on point. So let's take her on my home course. And all right, guys, let's take her on my indoor track that I'm putting together, the indoor course, and see how well she performs. All right, let's take the Jeep for a ride and see how well she does on my home course, which the home course is getting a lot better, guys. Take her through this gap. This is an extremely steep incline, guys. Up and over. Over the bridge. And then again, the unfinished part of the track. There we go. Look at the articulation here. Let's get a closer look here. The articulation on this truck is just solid. And then we'll get back on the cement where we're going to get better grip. I'll come down here so we don't flip it. Oh, and she'll flip. She'll definitely flip. And then we can go like this. Hopefully we don't do anything stupid over here. Like I said, hard to film and also drive sometimes. I think I'm going to lose it right here. Yep. And there she goes. But anyway, you guys get the point. I'll show you some lines that this truck can do. Hopefully do. The track, I just barely finished this side, so I'm not quite sure if it'll get up a lot of these lines, but we'll try. Yeah, this is top heavy and needs some brass if they ever come up with brass for this thing. But again, you got the tunnel that comes out, but we'll try this right here. We'll go up and about. go up the hill. And then we'll go down this steep incline. Hopefully it doesn't go flip over. Yeah, there you go. But they're very capable truck. Again, another unfinished portion of the track, but you can see how it goes. It goes like this. Hopefully we can get up this hill. And up. All right, guys. Again, check this truck out. Truck is awesome. Get it. $100. Well worth it. Until the next one, guys. Thanks for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button.